Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to meet my viewers who are interested in watching my videos. Definitely it will be helpful, and as you are going to watch further my videos, I'm sure that you will benefit a lot and help me to and encourage me to post more videos which are going to be very useful to the students for engineering, arts and science, and also for plus 2 students. Now today let me do a problem in normal distribution. What is a normal distribution? Normal distribution. This is a very widely applied distribution, and it is a continuous distribution. We say that a random variable x follows normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation. This is the mean is equal to mu, and the standard deviation is, this is your standard deviation is sigma. If the probability density function, probability density function fx of x is equal to 1 by 2 pi sigma of sigma square of this into e to the power of minus x minus mu whole square divided by 2 sigma square. X is minus infinity less than x less than plus infinity, mu is greater than 0, this sigma is also greater than 0. See, this is how it is defined, and then this probability density function, this is a probability density function, and it is defined in the interval minus infinity to plus infinity. When this is drawn with the values of x, we will find that it will be a curve, a well-shaped curve like this. It will be a well-shaped curve like this, and it is an asymptotic curve in the sense that it will be extending on both sides, grazing over the x-axis, and that at the point mu, which is the point, a line that divides the curve equally with the area, and here you see that the area between the x-axis and the curve is 1, and this mu, see, at the part, the line mu, at this point you see that it divides, this line divides into 0.5 and 0.5, that is, the area is divided into two halves, 0.5 and 0.5, and because of the property that it holds an area of 1 between minus infinity to plus infinity, the curve is used for finding the probabilities in the sense, given a random variable x which follows a normal distribution, we can find the probability of the random variable x on various situations. Okay, now with this, and understand that when a problem of a random variable which follows a normal distribution is given, we change it to some other variable which is called the standard normal variable, which is given by z is equal to x minus mu by sigma, and because of which we are taken to another plane and z to f of z, so that you see that we will be getting same curve, bell-shaped curve in the plane z f of z, and it will be grazing over like this, and z is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0 is the line which divides, as here this z is equal to 0 is the axis which divides the bell-shaped curve into two halves with the area of 0.5 to 0.5, here 0.5 and 0.5, and this is the line of symmetry in the sense that whatever we want to study on the left hand side is equivalent to studying on the right hand side, and that here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 equal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means you see that it is want to see the area, the whole area lies between -5 to +5, and after then you see that a minimal values only run along the axis of the z axis. So here again we convert the given x random variable to z random variable, and then find out the probabilities in this particular curve which is in the plane z f of z plane. And every strip of area, see you take every point you take, that every strip of area will give us the probability of a random variable under for certain values. And here in order to find this, in order to find the probability, we have to go for integration like this. Say P of A less than x less than b means it is nothing but the probability of this, probability of a to b f of x dx. This is what we will do. Instead of using the integral and finding the probabilities, we are having what is called the area under normal curve. Area under normal curve, in which we will be given the z values, and the corresponding values, that is z values are taken, and the corresponding values for mean 0, 0, 0, 1 it will be given. We can refer to a certain value of z and go along and in the table in the mean value 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 like that, you just refer and you can get the values of the z values. See, I will explain more on this when I come to the situation, but mind that if you want to find the probability of this, then we have to use we need not use the integration like this. We can refer to a area and a normal curve table and then get the values. So this is a small introduction before going to the problem, because if I am to take the theory on it, it will take minimum of 1 hour to explain things, but I am going to apply the idea of normal distribution to this problem to solve it. So this is a small introduction that I am giving in order to solve this particular problem. Now let us come to the problem. See, let me solve one by one here. See, what is the probability of this? In order to find the probability of this, the first one is the first problem is P of, see here it is asked the length of what is given in this problem is the length of the screw of a certain machinery is normally distributed. That means a company is manufacturing the screws and the length of the screws are normally distributed with the mean 5.3 centimeters and standard deviation 2.5. A screw is randomly selected and various questions are asked. What are the questions? What is the probability that the length is less than 4.5 centimeters, the length is greater than 6.4 centimeters, the length lies between 3.6 and 5.9 centimeters, and between 2.8 centimeters and 4.9. Because there is always a quality control. We have to take, they will go for the quality control. They will test whether it sticks to the norm fixed. If the mean is 5.3 and standard deviation is 2.5, it must be like that. Then only the buyers will accept the products. But here you see that, but here and there a small marginal value can maybe allowed. But we have to find whether, taking these probabilities, whether the product can be sent to the buyers. So these are some basic ideas that we must know about why we go for finding these probabilities. So a screw is chosen and we are going to find out whether the probability, what is the probability of the screw is 4.5 centimeters, 6.4 centimeters, lying between 3.6 and 5.9 and between 2.8 and 4.9. So what is the first question that is asked? The P of x is a random variable which is less than, see it is given 4 points. See what is the first question? Less than 4.5 centimeters. See, x is the See, x is the random variable which is the length of the screw. So it refers to length of the screw. So this is nothing but, see, the standard normal variate Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. So you see that this is nothing but, so this is equal to what? So P of x minus mu divided by sigma is less than 4.5 minus 5.3 divided by 2.5. So this is equal to P of Z less than, so this is nothing but your minus 0.8 divided by 2.5. This is equal to P of Z. It is less than, see, if you go for the simplification, it will be less than 0.32. It is 0.32. It is less than 0.32. And it is minus less than, see, minus 0.32. Now, having found the value of this P of Z, then go to the normal distribution curve like this. So it is like this. And this is your Z is equal to 0. And you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the asked value, that is if the given, if the asked probability of the given value is 4.5, 4.5 is less than 5.3, so that it will lie to the left of Z is equal to 0, all the values. If it is more than 5.3, all values will be lying to the right. So you see that here we want 0.32. See, 0.32 will be here. 0.32, draw or ordinate like this. This is our area. See, this is less than means this is our area. So this is the area that we want. This is 0.5 and this is 0.5 area. The area, see, this is minus infinity to plus infinity. It is f of z. It is z is equal to 0. So you see that the area here is 0.5 and the area here is 0.5. Minus 0.32 is here. Minus 0.32. This point is minus 0.32. So this point is minus 0.32. We want the area lying to the left. Less than means lying to the left. But as I told you, this is z is equal to 0 is a line of symmetry. Therefore, you just keep a mirror. You can find the same thing is happening on the right hand side. So instead of finding here, we can just find out on the right hand side. So if you keep a mirror, you see that it gets reflected like this. This is plus, this is 0.32, and we want all the area lying to the right. So instead of finding here, I can just go and find on the right hand side. The whole area on the right hand side is 0.5 and up to this is 0.32. Up to this is 0.32. So from 0.5 you subtract this area from 0 to this, you will get the required probability. That is, this is equal to, see what is this? This is P of Z. It is less than means greater than 0.32. So this is equal to 0.0 of, that is 0.5, 0.5 minus P of 0 less than Z less than 0.32. Now for this you have to refer to the table. What you have to do is go to the area and the normal curve. And area and the normal curve. See, it is Z is here. And 0, 0, 0, 1 like that it goes on mean values. Mean values. Here you go to 0.32 and come down like this. You will find a value. This value is your point. See, this value is 0.1255. Say 0.1255. Therefore, this is 0.5 minus 0.1255. 0.3045, that means P of x less than 4.5, that is the probability of the screw to have a length less than 4.5 is So 0.3755, that is 37.45% chances are there for the selected screw to have length of less than 4.5 centimeters. So we are able to find what is the probability. So if the screw is selected, the probability is 37.44%. This is percent. 37.45% chances that the screw can be of length less than 4.5 centimeter. So this is our first problem. So the second one is, so this is 0.3745. The second one, see, the second one is P of x greater than 6.3. What is the probability of the selected screw can be of length greater than 6.3 centimeters? As I told you, this is nothing but P of x minus bu by sigma is greater than 6.3 minus 5.3 divided by, it is 2.5. This is equal to, so you will get this to be, say, this is 1, this is probability of this is greater than, it is 1 by 2.5, that is equal to, you will get this to be, it is 6 point. So how much will we get for this? So this is 100, 10, you will get it as 10 by 50. So it is P of Z greater than 0.44. So you get 0.44. Now you see that having found the value of this, now go to the this thing. So you will find that this is like this, this like this. And here is 0.44 will be, 1 will be here, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. 0.44 will be here. And you want values all greater than 0.44. So this is the area. So this whole area is 0.5. This is 0.5. So this is nothing but 0.5 minus P of 0 less than Z 0.44. That means subtract this area. This area. That is subtract the whole 0.5 area minus this is the area between this and this. So if you refer to the table, here you see that Z value, it is mean, it is 0, 0, 0, 1 like this, 0.4400. So here you will find the value you will find is 0.1700. So it is 0.5 minus 0.1700. 0.33. So the answer is 0.33. So 33% chances that the screw can be of length greater than 6.3 centimeters. So there is the 0.33 chances that the screw can be, the selected screw can be of length greater than 6.3 centimeters, or 33% chances that it can be like that. So this is the second problem. Let us pause on to the third problem. Now what is the third problem here? The third problem is P of it is lying between 3.6 less than x less than 5.9. So this is nothing but P of 3.6 less than 3.6 minus 5.3 divided by 3.5 2.5 less than z less than 5.9 minus 5.3 divided by 2.5. So this is nothing but P of, you will give this value to be P of, it is 0 minus 0.68 less than z less than, it is 0.24. As I told you, 5.9 is more than 5.3, so it will lie on the right hand side, whereas here this 3.6 is less than 5.3, so it will lie on the right hand side. So what is this thing? Here you will get this to be, so this is what we get. So here it is minus 6.8 will be somewhere here. And here it will be 0.02 will be here. So draw an ordinate here. So this is the area that we want. So this is nothing but, see, it is point, it is P of minus 0.68, it is less than z less than 0 plus P of 0 less than z less than 0.24. So minus, so it is minus 0.68, see, minus 0.68, it is less than z less than 0, so it will be lying between this 0.68. This, see, it is this area plus this area. But as I told you, whatever you want to, this is line of symmetry, this is a line of symmetry, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 is line of symmetry. So whatever you want to study on the left hand side, it can be studied on the right hand side. So this is nothing but P of 0 less than z less than 0.68 plus P of 0 less than z less than 0.24. So you see that this 0.68 will come here. So 0.68, and you draw an ordinate like this, and you find the area of this. See, find the area of this up to 0.68 and also add with this 0.24. So what that you will get here is, see, is it is 0.24, 0.68. For 0.24 you will get it as it is 0.65, it is 0.65. So it is 0.25, 0.65, 0.2517, and it is 0.0948. So this is equal to 0.2517 plus 0.0948. So it comes to 0.3465. That means this area on the left hand side, when you reflect it on the right hand side, it will be again 0 less than z less than 0.68. Add that area with area between 0 and 0.24. See, for 0.24 it is 0.0945. I refer to the area on the normal curve. Likewise, this is 0.2517. When we add this, it comes. So the probability of the screw that we have chosen length lies between 3.6 and 5.9 is 0.3456, that is 34.65% chances that the screw is of length between 3.6 and 5.9 centimeters. So this is what we do. So this is how we do the third problem, and the answer is, here you see that for this is 0.33 and for this it is 0.34, so for this 0.3465. And let us complete the last problem here. Let us complete the last one here. See, P of here 2.8 less than x less than 4.9, which is equal to P of 2.8 minus 5.3 divided by 2.5 less than, is that less than, it is 4.9 minus 5.3 divided by 2.5. So this is equal to P of, when you do this, because this 2.8 is lying to the, see it is like this, mu is 5.3. See your 2 point lies here to the left, 2.8, and also your 4.9 is also lying to the left. Since they are lying to the left, this it will be a negative quantity, that when you do this simplification, and this here you will get it to be minus 1 less than, is that less than, it is minus 0.16. So we have to find the area between. See, it is like this. Come to the bell-shaped curve. It is like this. It is Z is equal to 0. This is 0.5. This area is 0.5. Now here you see that minus, see, it is minus, it is here. This point is minus 0.16, and let us suppose that it is here 1. This is minus 1. This point is minus, so it is the area between, it is minus 1 less than this, so it is like this. So this is. So this is what we get. So this is the area, but I told you that whatever you want to study on the left hand side is equivalent to studying on the right hand side, because you keep a mirror, it gets reflected. So if you just study by using the line of symmetry, this is nothing but point. It is like this. So this is 0.16, this is 1, and we want the area of this. We want the area of this. So this is the required area. This is, so this is equal to by symmetry. So this is P of 0.16 less than, is it less than, by symmetry. So this is nothing but, so the line, this is nothing but P of, the whole area is P of 0 less than, is it less than 1, minus P of 0 less than, is it less than 0.16. So the whole area 0 to 1, take away this area. So here you see that is that it is 0, 0. See, it is 0.16 and it is 1 is here. Here you will find the area to be here 0.3413. It is here. See, 0.3413. This is 0.3413 and 0.0636. So this is against 0.16, the value is 0.0636, and here it is 0.3. So this is equal to 0.3413 minus 0.0636. So this is equal to this is it. So the probability of the screw to be of length lying between 2.8 and 4.9 is 0.2777 chances. That is 27.77% chances are there for the selected screw to have length lying between 2.8 and 4.9 centimeters. So this is all. So if you select the screw, what is the probability that the length can lie between 2.8 and 4.9 is 20. So this is answer is 0.277 chances. So this is, and understand that actually speaking, this probability helps us to determine the quality of the screw. The buyers will be very much wanting to buy which sticks to the mean and the standard deviation that they have prescribed. If it is very much more, then they may reject. So the quality control has to take care of that. Here you see that here if there is a very big deviation, then you see that they will know. So here the probability is 0.277 means it may be slightly less. So we have to, this art of finding the probability of finding the defects or something like that will help us to control the quality. It will help us in the quality control. So we will see more problems in the coming days. Thank you.